everybody, today we're going to make Ritz Cracker Peanut Butter Candy. You could call them maybe a Copycat Peanut Butter Twix. So we're going to start with a large oblong pan, 8.5 by 11, and we're going to line it with Reynolds wrap and then spray the Reynolds wrap. Now we are going to take Ritz crackers and just line them up one by one. I've melted about half of a jar of peanut butter in the microwave to make it easy to pour, and we're just going to pour it right over these Ritz crackers. And now I'm going to take another sleeve of Ritz crackers and put them right on top of the peanut butter. All right, now we're just going to set this aside to cool while we prepare our toffee mixture. Now I'm going to melt 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar. Once it begins to boil, we're going to let this boil for 3 to 4 minutes. You'll notice that this is thickened up. It's a dark caramel color. And now we're just going to pour it right over our Ritz crackers. We're going to gently spread this out so it covers all of our crackers. And then I'm going to pop it into a preheated 400-degree oven. All right, after 5 minutes, we're going to pull this out of the oven. Now, we're going to grab some chocolate chips. You can use milk chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, whatever you prefer. I'm going to use milk chocolate today. And just spread them evenly over the top while the toffee is still hot. Now we can let this set for a few minutes, or I can pop it back into the oven for just a couple minutes just to let this melt, which is what I'm going to do. You can see that the chocolate chips are starting to melt. They're starting to lose their shape, so I'm going to take a spatula and just run it over the top. And now you can take pecans if you like. I'm going to use a little bit of sea salt and sprinkle it on top of the chocolate. That looks so good. We're going to let this set for 30 minutes to cool off. After that time, I'm going to pop it in the refrigerator and let it get good and set before I take it out of the pan. All right, I had some running around to do, so this actually stayed in the refrigerator for several hours, but that'll be even better. So had plenty of time to set up, nice and firm. So now I'm just going to pull this out by the Reynolds wrap and pull the Reynolds wrap off the back, and then you just break it up. However you like. And I'm going to taste test this small piece just to make sure, you know, because that's what you do. What is not to like? Delicious. Thank you for liking and sharing my shareable videos, and I'll be back soon with another video.